Hello everyone. So, what China deliveries did we get? Let's find out. Finally is my Inte.Team account. One box. Meter. Two boxes. And that is as well. No address. No door number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so there was this promotion for 160 or 170. Look, it's a small mat. That's 168, I think I paid for it. I'll open the prices and I'll tell you how much I paid for all of these. Okay, so you've got prices. Yes, this is the IC chip thin blade, $2.99. That's multifunctional mini electronic hanging scales. It's only when we're going actually abroad or somebody's flying, you know, and so on, because it's easy and easy to use. Yes. Now this is, sorry, this was $2.99. This soldering mat, and the meter $5.98. Yes, so those came in. Now let's put them aside. I'll open them in a while. Now let's get to the meter. So this one. So I bought this meter. Why? Where it is? Where it is? Okay, so I've made a mistake. Confirm this. Bluetooth digital multimeter. Yes, we will look into it. And I don't know. Let's open the box here. Yeah, I ran out of those small blades. I don't have those small blades, so I decided to, you know, while I'm ordering that one, I can get some blades. And I was looking for them for quite a bit of time for cheap price, and suddenly, you know, showed up in the cheap listing. So yay. Okay, so here set of 3 and set of 3. I thought I took in 4, and actually no, it is 6 arms. It's 10 pounds and 2 pence. And well, have this heat shrink, yes, to grab something, and then has a base. I don't know how robust this is. So okay, there are some screws, some rubber. I don't know what this rubber is for. Like this. Oh, here. For whatever it is. Maybe to mount to the table, I'd say, because that would make sense. So we can mount it. But I don't have anything to mount it on, like I've done this. Sorry for the loud noises if you have any. Like this wooden base for the microscope. I would have to use probably for this one as well, but let's neglect this. Let's just take this one. Okay, it's firm. Like, you know, it's really okay. Well, it does the trick, you know, better than my one. My one is really not stable and it's collapsing. The base is just bad in my one. Plus you can't adjust these. Yes, I wanted something to adjust these, so I'm happy with what I see here. mainly I'm using 2, sometimes I need more, but you can get the idea. Yeah, you can get an idea. And even this hard drive, I mean the SSD, yes, you know, and then you can solder it easier. If that won't be good enough, I'll use something else, of course, yes, but I would say it's a good purchase. I don't know what you think, guys, if you know better things, and of course in the reasonable price, because £10 is reasonable. Then I would say, you know, I see why not. We can show them. You can provide a link down below if you wanna. I can pin some interesting ones, but this one is table clamp soldering station with 3 flexible arms. Those are 3, but you can get more, as you see. So I'll put these ones away. This and this. That was a good purchase. £10 is a reasonable price and has a lot to give for that amount. Now this art knife is, for me, really important, because when I'm clearing some spaces close to the chips and so on, or sometimes you need to cut something, so you get those various shapes, yes, hooking up, and there is, you know, like quite a few shapes. Cheap. This cheap. That's not a knife. That's just a blade. You've got a wee spatula here. Yeah, you got the idea. So yeah, this is really nice and cheap as well. So Aliexpress have delivered again. So this and this, I don't think it's the best use for it, but you know, it's okay. You can put this one aside and we can look. Now this meter is really cheap. It came, the last time it came with battery even, so this time as well, but it has enough to offer for the price, yes, because that's, you know, that's really cheap, as we've seen, just £6 or something. So that's it. This is the scale. Probably no batteries. Who cares? It's used, I'm telling you, like once or maybe less. Yeah, no batteries. What the batteries are for it? Just to AAA batteries. Yes. So yeah, I'd say, you know, like for the price and what we're using it for, it's not very often. My mom is flying in, flying out sometimes, so she's then struggling with the scale, which is for the bathroom, you know, this, and she can't see if she's putting, you know, and then it's sometimes not holding the scale value because she's literally, you know, like taking it too quickly or something. So, you know, here is, see, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant, yeah. Does the job. It's quick, it's efficient, and holds the value as well. Tare unit power portable electronic scales units. So now it's lbs and gym, oz and kilograms in 4 scales. Tare, we got 0 again, yes, well, by pressing tare. Good, cheap, and I would say for what I need is robust. Yes. So I don't need batteries permanently that can lie like that, and just when needed I've got always rechargeable, or I will charge regular ones with my bench power supply. So that's a good purchase. As I was ordering other things, I said, why not? You know, what, like why not? Now this mat is because we are using second desk, and then I've lost my one. I need to tidy up the room better. I can't find my mat. I don't know where I've done it. And then again, when I will find it, yes, I can use my one back, and this one can go to the second table when it's needed. this was really cheap, you know. I'll put those that confirm receipt. So yeah, it was $2.99, you know, so for $2.99 you can't go wrong with that. Yes, I'd say it's worth money. Yes, worth money. If you are a beginner and you're starting to do things, especially smaller things, then for sure it's worth. The only downside is it's really small. Yes, that's the only downside. But you know, depend what you're doing, because I get used to the small ones. I don't want to buy this big one, big mat. Yes, for the moment. Yes, because I've got my keyboard here. I was thinking about mounting keyboard higher, but then again, you know, when I'm typing a lot, you know, type like that, it's just not really nice. Yes, so I rather have my keyboard here, mat here, and then when I'm typing, I'm just taking my hands closer. That's it. All what I need is within the reach. So for me, very good purchase. And my meter is to be fixed, so I thought I'll buy one which will be on the Bluetooth. And why I took this one, it was Bluetooth, the main reason. And you might be asking why I need a Bluetooth meter. Well, my one is faulty, I need to fix it. That's one of the reasons. Second is that if I've got it on Bluetooth and if I can connect it, there is no battery. Okay, and that's what sort of battery? 9-volt battery, or it's not written. Okay, well, let's get to the bottom of this. Okay, and let's see if I will get a connection via Bluetooth. I could display it on the screen because I've got a Bluetooth in my computer. So I was thinking that, oh, double A's, very good, even better for me, you know. I thought I'll need 9 volts, those ones, but it's a meter which actually uses AA batteries. Wow, surprise. So what do we have here? We've got a hold, we've got the cell in, don't know, we've got hertz, max, minimum, rel, range. Oh, you've got an auto. Okay, that's the first meter with an auto. Might be slow because it's an auto. You've got hertz, volts, and DC and AC. Hertz, millivolts, percent. Then you've got an ohm and diode mode. You've got hertz, percent. Then you've got amps, DC and AC, milliamps as well. So for milliamps, you've got extra connection here, yes. And then for the regular big amps, you've got here special connection. Then you've got a com, which is minus, and then volts and everything else. And microamps even. Wow. Okay. And what's written about it? Let's check if I can find. I can find it. Okay, I can show you which one I bought. So I bought, I don't know which one. Well, my one is like an orange one. So my one is this one. Don't know what they say here. Okay. Material ABS. This is Bluetooth compatible multimeter with high reliability, high precision, and easy to carry. I'm curious how many digits. I don't believe it will be 5 digits, but 4 digits, then that's okay. With Bluetooth capable, it can connect with mobile phone and transmit data in real time. With LCD backlight display, convenient to read data in the dark. More advantages: automatic range, data holding, diode test continuity, multifunction. It can measure AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, and frequency accurately. Okay, wide range of uses. It's an ideal tool for laboratories, factories, and families. Okay. AA batteries, LCD 6000 counts. Please explain in the comments down below if you understand what this means, because I don't know. Range automatic manual, true RMS, yes, that's good. Data retention, screen backlight, low power protect, sampling rate 3 times. I don't know. That's for hertz maybe. I don't know. I never had it in the meter yet. Automatic shutdown. That's good because I'm forgetting to shut down my meter. I don't know for how long. And then work environment 0 to 40 humidity. That's fine. That's fine. That's okay. Then you get ranges with resolution. You see, I would say, you know, like to whatever you would need it, like to most of the things it should be okay. Yes, 1 blue digital multimeter set. Yeah, I've got those probes here with a temp meter as well. So yes, I will fix my one, and that will be used simultaneously with this one. If I need to record something and show display on the screen, I can. Yes, that's not a problem. So yeah, that's a temp sensor. These are probes, and these probes are a bit different to what I'm used to. Oh, you see, this is tiny. I will be using my probes probably, or can I do something about this? No, it just rotating. You can't do anything. Oh no, you can. Okay, so they are going off. Why this doesn't go off? But it's you know, it's I don't 10 amps. I don't trust it. I like my probes better. Oh yeah, okay, it was just hard. Okay. Well, I can try to use these to compare, because my ones are those micro. You can distinguish the difference easily in between. So I think I'll switch to my ones anyway. But yeah, okay, let me try this Bluetooth thing. So I'll pause and I'll be back. Okay, so let's do it, guys. Let's see if it's worth the money. Oh! Okay, so this is 2-in-1 pieces. Like this or like that? Ah, like that, okay, that's fine. Where is this screw? Okay. Auto. Yeah, it's 3 commas after the dot. Not a problem. I'll keep those for now. But I'm telling you straight away, I'd rather have and longer and just better. No. Oh, forgetting that with new probes they put those thingies. Okay, that's fine. Let's get some battery from the battery box. Okay, 125. And what about our auto? How quick auto is? When do you see it here? Ooh, I thought it would be slower. Wow, okay. 120. Wow, that's actually quick. So yeah. Okay, so now the question is about the Bluetooth mode, because I never use the Bluetooth, you know. I'll pause and I'll check how I can use Bluetooth with it. Okay guys, so on their website was written Bluetooth D for Delta and double M for Mike, so DMM. Bluetooth DMM. I've installed it, I found it, and it's allow only while using the app. Okay. And allow eBull to access photos media. Allow to record audio. Allow. Yes. So now there is a problem with the login. Register. I need to register. I'll register and then I'll come back to it. Okay. I did check that there is account number. I couldn't find it, so I went back to this website of Aliexpress, and it was written that I can log in as a guest. So here is a visitor written at the bottom right, so I've clicked on it, and now, yes, now I can click on the place. So I'll click on the place, add device. Yeah, Bluetooth is on. Start scanning. Okay, and what it will do, scanning. Oh, my bad, still scanning. Click on the place. Okay, sorry. So here, language English, language flow system, no, English. Okay, good. Now English. Okay, good. And that's it, I think. Remote assistance, customize. They don't provide detailed instructions. So there's added device, Bluetooth. Okay, but Bluetooth is on, but I can't click on it. I'm clicking on it, it's nothing. Doesn't change orientation. Scanning, start scanning of the device. I'm curious because that's not what I expected to be. I can't add the device. I'm clicking in the all area of add device, so that's not simple, straightforward. I'm starting scanning as well. There is nowhere here, so I can click something like hold, select. No. Okay, 2 seconds for Bluetooth. Oh, now it's Bluetooth on. Okay, so I had to press this one over 2 seconds to go into the Bluetooth mode, and now I get a Bluetooth symbol on the display, and now it found. Look, now it is disconnected. So let's waiting for the device to connect. Okay, and that's showing DC. Look, so we've got a meter. Yes, and now we can get the battery back. I can hopefully show you. Okay, we can work that out. 120, yeah, that's accurate because that's showing 124 as well here. So to give you a better idea and understanding of it. Okay, so let's do at the back. So the front. Okay, it doesn't connect properly. Now it's connecting properly. Yes, so we can work it out for sure. And the histograph as well, visual aspect of it. And it's quick, you know, the reaction is really quick. It's cheap, it's for sure not dear. What happens when I will change reading from volts now to, let's say, ohms? Millivolts, good. Quick, that's nice. Okay, so all it left at the moment is either use my old iPad, which is there, or use my old phone, some old phone, or install an app, Android app on the computer, and I can show you always the picture, you know, of of the display, and when I'm measuring something I can use this meter. Of course not with those probes, because these probes are yeah, you know, but I can use this meter. I will test it, okay, I will test it, and if it's good enough quality, that's showing 1000 volts cut 2 and 600 volts cut 3, then I'll buy those meters, yes, because it's looking like cheap, you know, it's really cheap. So I'll put like a £5 margin on them, and I'll be selling them, you know, I'll be selling them for our store, £5 margin for keeping them in stock always here. And then we have spare parts. If you would need spare parts, I can take the spare part if you would damage it, you know, like at the corner or something. So those people who will buy the meters, I will make sure that these people will get a access to spare parts to these meters, yes, because I would like to buy a few of them. If it's only 1845 plus VAT, so plus let's say 20%, so 18.45 times 1.2 equals 2214 plus 35 pence shipping, so we're talking 22.49, yes. So I would do them for like 27.49 or something. In this case, you know, it's not dear because it's not a dear meter, and it's looking robust. It's a Bluetooth as well, so it's nice, and you know, it's not as big as my old one here, yes, and as long as it does the trick, you know, I can still use this one, it still works, yes. It's just that this one has a problem with higher voltages. It's showing them wrongly, so probably that range is either dirty or the resistors which are there are, you know, wear and tear, yes, it just run out of the power. And what's happening when I'm turning it off? Okay, so it's nothing when I'm turning it off, it just is. But that's it, that's the fair deal, guys. I think, you know, I think this was a good purchase. Only time will tell, yes, only time will tell. If I will be happy with it, I'll order several of them and I will put them into the shop, because I wanted a bit dearer, you know, like not 5, 6, 10 pounds, but I wanted to have something different. And from the features with true RMS, with, you know, with Bluetooth, with auto as well, you know, it makes sense, you know, and look, for now looks promising, yes. Of course not the probes, but the rest no problem. And you've got a detail how to connect with an app, plus you've got a temp probe, which is nice because I don't have temp probe here, so that's a nice addition, guys. But that's it in this video. It's 28 minutes. I can't believe I've done it so long. Only this meter I could do as a separated video, to be true. But that's it. Oh, now there is a message what's stating it's Bluetooth has been disconnected, reconnect or not, cancel. Okay, very good. Okay, fine, close. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. If you did like what you've seen, there is some value in it, please like. If you did like, thank you to you as well, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.